On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, I'd like to welcome you to Nowland. Please remain seated via seat backs and tray tables in the full upright and loud position. All your carry-on items stowed away until we reach the gate and the captain turns off fast the seatbelt sign. When he does, please use caution when opening the overhead bins. The items may have shifted during flight and could fall out and crush you. Look around your seat back pocket, make sure you have all your belongings. Cell phones, tablets, wallets, small children. Don't leave anything behind. Someone always leaves something behind. Don't be that someone. If you leave anything behind, don't worry. Just log on to eBay or Craigslist tomorrow morning to reclaim your items at an extremely steep markup. This flying machine will be continuing on to Orlando, Florida, if that's your destination. Please remain seated until all the local passengers have declaimed. Once they're all off, we're going to count the remaining passengers. Once we confirm our through count with ground ops, we'll make an announcement and let you know you can get up, stretch your legs, and use the potty before we continue on to Orlando, Florida. Folks, I want to thank you for choosing to see at Southwest Airlines. We know you have many, many choices when you fly, and we are so, so pleased that you cannot afford the other choices. Go out, have a great day, buckle up, drive safely, brush and floss your teeth every single day. Happy New Year and welcome to Nowland.